Good day. This is a very important equipment, cargo hydraulic pack. Operates the hydraulic valves. Okay, this one right side, and then the left side is the pressure transmitters. At the left side, that is the defective that already replaced. Okay, pressure transmitter 4 to 20, 0 to 250 bars, that is the range. For replacing that one, we need to put a flexible hydraulic pipe on the mini-mist, and then when you connect, you need to drain on the tank, because this is very important before replacing that defective pressure transmitter. Okay, this is our new pressure transmitter, 0 to 250 bars. Number 1 is the positive, number 2 is the negative. New type but same purpose, 4 to 20. Okay, this pressure transmitters acts as a cut-in cut-out for our hydraulic pumps. That is the defective one. Okay, we need to drain this pressure before replacing that sensor. After draining, safe, and then remove the pipe, and then you can replace the transmitter. That is the safest way. There is no pressure and no spill of hydraulic oils. No need to adjust in the relief valve so that it will drain the system, but only put that pipe. Okay, that one at the right side, that is the manifold pressure transmitter. You can use that one for emergency. Okay, we already replaced, because temporarily I use that pressure transmitter at the manifold because it is defective, but right now we need to pressure check first if there is no leaking, then we can transfer the connection to that new pressure transmitter. Okay, we'll already connect and then replace. Okay, check the cut in cut out, and it's working. Okay, at another pipe, I put it back on the manifold, and then that connection I'll put back to this new one, because that is the original. That is for emergency only. You can use that pressure transmitter at the manifold. Okay, 1 and 2 terminals, 1 positive, 2 is negative.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.